Hi, we're at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 6.5 by 16 straight deck utility trailer with 6-foot mesh siding. At the front we have our jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the breakaway box. There are tie-down points at the bottom and top of your mesh. This trailer does come with diamond plate heavy duty fenders, as well as a rear loading gate that has spring assist. This trailer is a straight deck and also has pressure treated wood flooring. There are LED brake lights, as well as the latch system for your gate. This trailer has two 3,500-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. We have a front passenger side tire mount. This trailer also has the corrosion repair Sherwin-Williams paint. Once again, this is a 6.5 by 16 with 6-foot mesh siding. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call.